Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in your 2024 Nissan Kicks. If you are new here, I'm an actual working tech that makes straight to the point how-to videos. Now let's get into this. The first step is to enter the passenger side of the vehicle, and you are going to be looking for this panel. You are going to pull firmly on this panel and remove it. Now you're going to come on inside here, and you're going to be looking for this white piece of plastic, which is the cabin air filter cover. You are going to pull down on this tab and then pull the cover off. Once that cover is out of the way, you're going to reach inside and pull out the cabin air filter. As you can tell, this one is fairly dirty compared to the new one. You're going to need to pay attention to these arrows because that is the direction of the airflow, and on this car the airflow is going this way, so you want to install the arrows pointing to the front of the vehicle. Now let's install the cabin air filter. We're going to push the cabin air filter back into its home and then take the cover and close it back up. Then reinstall this panel. Give it a good little push. And your cabin air filter is installed. If this helped you at all, please consider giving this video a like and comment below what else you'd like to see.